Hola amigos, we have a new class today. Today we are going to learn the present continuous tense in Spanish. The equivalent of which in English is, for example, I am eating my dinner, I am studying Spanish, I am watching a movie. How do we make this formation in Spanish? Before we start, I request you once again to please subscribe to my channel and continue learning Spanish with me, the Spanish maestro. My name is Sir Ahmed Raza. Let's start the class, my friends. The continuous tense in Spanish is formed using the verb estar. The verb estar means to be. We've already conjugated and done this tense in the present tense. So the conjugation of the verb estar is yo estoy, tú estás, él está, ella está, usted está, nosotros estamos, ellos están, ustedes están. This is the present tense conjugation of the verb estar. Using the verb estar, we form the continuous tense. Now, what is the formula? It's very simple. We do the usual formation practice by removing the endings of the verbs. So for AR verbs, we remove the AR and we add ANDO. So for example, hablar becomes hablando. For ER verbs, what do? We remove the ER and we add IENDO. So beber will become bebiendo, bebiendo. How do we do IR verbs? IR verbs follow the same rules as the ER verbs. We remove the IR from the verb. Now the example is the verb vivir, or to live. So vivir will become viviendo. Okay, it has the same ending as the ER verbs. So hablando, bebiendo and viviendo. Okay, other examples with AR verbs, for example, are tomando, taking or drinking, comprando, buying, from the verb comprar. Comprar is to buy. Other examples of ER verbs, comiendo, from the verb comer, which is to eat. Comiendo is eating. Vendiendo, from the verb vender. Vender is to sell. So vendiendo, selling. Other examples of IR verbs, abriendo, from the verb abrir. Abrir is to open. So abriendo. And recibiendo, from the verb recibir. Recibir is to receive. So recibiendo. Now some simple examples using this formation. ¿Qué estás haciendo? What are you doing? Haciendo comes from the verb hacer. Okay, it's formed in the same way. We remove the ER and we add the IENDO. ¿Qué estás haciendo? What are you doing? The answer would be, for example, estoy hablando con mis amigos. I am talking to my friends. Or estoy comiendo pasta. I am eating pasta. Okay, some more examples. Now one example in the third person using Juan, for example. ¿Qué está haciendo Juan? What is Juan doing? Juan está mirando una película. Juan is watching a film. Mirando comes from the verb mirar. Mirar means to watch. Okay, we are going to do a class very soon on the verbs ver and mirar. Ver and mirar also very similar verbs. Ver means to see, mirar means to watch. They are both very close. Okay, so Juan está mirando una película. Another example. ¿Qué están haciendo los niños? What are the children doing? Okay, los niños están jugando en el parque. Los niños están jugando en el parque. The children are playing in the park. Jugando comes from the verb jugar. Okay, we've done jugar also many times. Jugar is to play. So los niños están jugando en el parque. Another example. ¿Qué estás comprando? What are you buying? Okay, from the verb comprar. So, ¿qué estás comprando? Estoy comprando ropa. What does ropa mean? Ropa means clothing, clothes. Okay. Now don't confuse this with rope. It sounds like the English word rope. Okay, but in Spanish, ropa means clothes. Okay, so ¿qué estás comprando? Estoy comprando ropa. So my friends, this was today's class, the formation of the present continuous tense in Spanish using the verb estar. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. I will answer your questions. Okay, please subscribe to my channel once again. Okay, so I'll see you in our next class, my friends. Hasta luego.